So to install the new knob on the gas cooker, I'm going to have to grind that off and then look over here for the flat side, and then in effect that flat side will line up with the bit that you grind. I've got a Dremel, but you could easily do that just with a little flat metal file. Just file it a bit flat, and then over here you should be able to see on this one, if I can get it off, what I've done there. You can see I've ground it down just with the Dremel, and there's the flat side there. Yeah, that's how it's done. I'll try and grind this while filming it. And that should be it. I'll try and put, you can see the flat side on top, and well, underneath here at the bottom, but as I flip that over they'll be on top, and we'll line it up with that. And let's see if we can get this on one-handed. I don't think I'll be able to. No, I won't be able to. And yeah, there it's on. Took a bit of force. All good.